We're in Fort Tryon Park now. You know how parking is so really expensive in New York City? These are all empty parking spaces where you can park for 4 hours if you'd like. No one will bother you. I don't even see a meter around to put money into. So you can just come here and hang out. She's brought her kids with her. And if we look down from where we are, we're up in the heights. That's why this is a fort. You're looking down into Manhattan from here. There's lots of construction. You're looking down into 190th Street. And in the background on the other side of the river is the Bronx. The Bronx is just in the distance over there with Yankee Stadium. Not far away. And that section you're looking at down there is a place called Inwood. See that main road down there? We're going to do a walking tour eventually on Inwood, which you might find you like. But right now we're still working on Fort Tryon Park. It's a little hilly, to say the least. Coming up on a place, it looks like it's a coffee shop or something of that nature. I'm trying to figure out what it says on the top sign up there. This is called the Bonnefont Restaurant. It's a restaurant. Let's see what it looks like. Here's what they have. Here's what they offer. They have popcorn, pretzels, the Bonnefont. Here at Fort Tryon. How cool is this place? Hi. This is how do you pronounce the name of the restaurant?
This is the Bonnefont?
Bonnefont Restaurant.
Yeah.
And you have basically snacks and things like that?
Yeah, the full menu's behind me.
Did this used to be a bigger restaurant?
There's a full stage restaurant upstairs.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
How do you get up there?
I just walk around the stairs there. It's not open yet, but they open up at around 11.
Do they have a menu posted or anything?
I don't think so, but it is online.
Okay, thank you. So it's a full restaurant here. How about that? Who'd believe it? You have to like going up and down stairs a lot at Fort Tryon Park. Entrance upstairs. Well, let's go see what it looks like. Fort Tryon Park is really a little known gem in Manhattan. It's easy to get to if you're coming from New Jersey. It's right off the George Washington Bridge. They have air conditioning, it feels like here. Fort Tryon Park. It's a very large park too, apparently. And here's the restaurant. What a beautiful place. See if we probably can't look in, but maybe we can peek in. We can't get in. The Bonnefont Restaurant. Locked. We can't sneak in and get it. I see tables. I see a waiting room. I see a menu and a made a dish stand right there. Okay. Oh, it is open. Good. What a beautiful restaurant. There's a bar. And it looks like a full restaurant. It's called the Bonnefont, which means good fort restaurant. How cool is that? Piano bar. Now let's see what the menu looks like. Check out a menu. Here's the menu. Summer beverages. How about food? Summer supper. Appetizers. Main courses. Not too bad. It's not cheap, but it's not too bad for New York. Very cool restaurant. What a nice place. I assume it opens later tonight. The Fort Tryon Park Trust Organization is the people who take care of this park. It's a private entity, not the city, but they probably cooperate with the city. And here's Fort Tryon Park Cafe Lawn, July 12th and August 9th. August 9th, something going on in Riverside Park at the 116th Overlook. These are some concerts in the park. Stan Michaels concert, guided walking tour in July, forest fitness class, and plant finders. How about that? And volunteer events. So that nice couple just told me where I can find the beautiful garden up here. It's supposed to be a very beautiful garden that I want to check out. This park is a lot less crowded than Central Park. Fort Tryon Park. I've never been here in my life, and I've lived in the New York area my entire life. But it's beautiful today. It's also about 75 degrees with beautiful blue sky, and you folks follow my channel know I love blue skies. I won't film if it's not blue sky. Everything looks much better with the sun out in a blue sky. So we're going to check out the garden in this part of the video. This is brought to you by Gary's Tours. You see that red button on the lower right hand side of your screen? If you tap that button, that subscribes you to my channel. It makes YouTube happy. And it doesn't cost anything. The only thing that will happen is whenever I release a new video, you'll get about a 2-minute message, or not 2 minute, 2-second message on your phone saying that I released a new video and tell you what the name of the video is. That's it. What a beautiful day.